In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete draft post on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Then tap right here at that plus. Now if we will start creating a post, we can select any photo from our camera roll, or we can take one by tapping right here at camera icon. And then let's say if we apply some filter to that picture and then tap at that arrow, it will allow us to save this post as a draft. After that, we'll be able to find all our drafts if we tap at that plus and then select drafts. Now it shows me all my 4 drafts here. On that step, we need to tap right over here where it says manage. Then we need to tap at edit. After that, select drafts you would like to delete. We can select several drafts at once, and then once it is done, tap at done and then tap at discard posts. What that will do, that will remove all the selected drafts. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.